Here I got a 2016 Subaru WRX. The customer wants to go with a cheaper option without the logo key, which it doesn't even matter at the end of the day. It's just a picture. But the functions and everything still works beautifully. We're going to make himself another key. Stay tuned. Follow for more. We got ourselves a 2016 WRX. This is a keyless situation. We're gonna just add a key. Hold the new key. So with the logo slide forward, hold it right there. It heard a beep. Press on the new key, press unlock. Turn it on, turn it off. 3 is the key count now. Nice. Bam, everything works beautifully. Now I just need to cut that key for the customer and job is completed.